Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 work truck was built for the toughest jobs, ready to tackle any task. This two-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 128,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Get ready for a truck that's as tough as nails without breaking the bank. The 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 work truck packs a punch with its Vortec 4.3L V6 engine, ready to tackle any task. Loaded with factory features like air conditioning, power steering, and an M/FM stereo with CD player, you'll enjoy both brawn and brains. With a spacious bed for all your gear and a clean CARFAX report, this truck is a steal with less than 128,000 miles. Come down to our dealership and experience the envy-worthy Summit White exterior, dark titanium interior, and impressive 15 mpg in the city and 20 on the highway. Don't miss out on cruising in style for years to come. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, stability control, and traction control.